I think because now instead of Mdala to think of Pablo as the problem, he is now looking at Thapelo More as the problem, thinking that okay, if Pablo was the problem, he wouldn't be behind bars. So that leaves one person who has immunity to pants. It's you. Now I foresee danger for this friendship. It looks like omunye nje usazokhala. And now the problem is they don't know ukuthi Tiro is the one that is behind this. And omunye uzofela izono inamanga idlanga. Oh Jehovah God. Ladies and gentlemen, as y'all can already see, we're going to be reviewing Scandal, Sanibona Absheni Molweni Minjani. Hiphukile hingongwina. So namuhla ka nongwa hina wa Scandal hikuma kura last time sekangi kahle. So now uMadlomo, she was crossing the street, then came across Mtunzi says to her, I'm leaving. And for some unknown reason, I actually believed the fact that he is leaving because he was asking the taxi driver, ipark station itholakala guphi, ama taxi guphi njani, and then the taxi driver then referred. So I actually believed that he was on his way going back to wherever he's coming from. But then now my problem is how easy he was convinced by uMadlomo ukuthi no, stay man, uqedelele lo msebenzi wakho wasesontweni, and then you can leave while this whole Sinyama thing is finished, because umfundisi is so eager to help you. Well, on the other hand, again, there is this thing that is happening between Toriso, Poet, the mother, and Buyi, because now the question is Toriso being the wife that she's supposed to be and protect the marriage and the husband, or is she being jealous because they're not choosing her but choosing Poet? Is Poet becoming selfish now for signing the deal without the wife, yet they worked together to compose the song, they wrote it together? Now, even though there is no something that is written in black and white, is he being selfish to go ahead and sign the contract? Because he says, how do we even know would he an opportunity like this will come back again? Now the now Poet is saying that how do you even know we're gonna get another opportunity? We all don't know. On this other hand, Untutuko is very drunk. The mother is saying, you know what, this is not actually you. Yes, limaza wena holimala lerina batho ba leng gore ra ho rata, so can you stop it? Utiro, on the other hand, he's pretending that he loves Semidi so much so that he's going to investigate yonke into le beyenza umdala, and then I make sure gore Semidi ushapo, because yena harati corruption man, harati batho ba utlisa batho ba bang botlhoko, especially ha ita ko batho ba bang holo. Hey guys, Semidi again phakathi inside. And this time around, I don't know how this is going to work, because now Tiro is the actual son and Ubab Semidi is the actual father. Now, he's just going not to trust any youngster, because now Utiro was asked a direct question, why are you doing this? And then he said because he does not want to see older people being victimized. Now Munyuza is not happy with Indabasagam, they're coming back on the table, and then Oboyi says this deal of 2.2 million, it's for you and you alone, does not need your wife. And then the mother Mamaga Poet is saying Wana o hanyaki wena upumele, and the reason why she's doing this is because she was born where there's money, so she doesn't see 2.2 million as money. Rena because everybody raibona gore ke chelete. So and then that's the mother, and then that's the boy. Oh my God. Now it means that he has to abandon what the wife is saying and then go with the mother. And for some unknown reason, I feel like the wife is right, and he will see this very late. Thank you so much for watching my video.